Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see layers here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing and managing layers in Canva is a simple process which is useful, particularly when creating more complex designs that involves overlapping elements. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you're working. If you haven't already, just click on the templates and you can choose to start from a business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, print products, or if you have a specific design in mind, just click the create a new design. Now I'm going to upload a specific file here, and then I'm going to hover to a different elements. Maybe this one right here, and an element right here, for example, a graphics. Maybe a sticker right here, moving sticker. Okay, this one right here, and a video. Okay, so for example, this one right here. Now, I'm gonna rearrange all the elements here so we can check the layers. All right, so I'm gonna make it a little bit later. Now, for us to be able to see the layers, all I have to do is right click on each element, and that is gonna be the layer, right? So each element has its own layer. For example, if you want to move this at the very front, you can do so. Click to bring to front. All right, this one, if you wanted to put it to back, layer send to backward or send to back if you want. Now from here, of course, you can do a lot of things. All right, you can place all the elements in layers effectively so it's not cramped. They're not cramped here in this design. And of course, you can also add in maybe a simple background at the back. But this one right here. Now, click on play. When you have multiple elements like text, images, shapes, and graphics in the design, managing layers allows you to arrange them in the correct visual order. Now, layers help prevent important elements from being obscured by others, ensuring the visibility of the key design components. As you can see right here, managing layers in Canva is really important for maintaining control over the design's layout, structure, and of course the visual hierarchy, especially as the design becomes more intricate. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.